I tried to make a game in 1 hour but ended up being 1.5 hours because I completely forgot how code works and probably because I haven't made a game in last 2 months. Since I don't really have that much time and I have to make this quick, so I'm just gonna recreate the game Flappy Bird. If you don't know, Flappy Bird is a very popular game in 2013 where you're attempting to fly between columns of green pipes without hitting them, according to Wikipedia. Anyways, we're just gonna start the game because we only have 1 hour here. Open Unity, create a new scene, add a circle, add a beak, add an eye, and add the wings. And don't even talk about the wings. Right now, it's not doing anything, it's just frozen there in time, so we're just gonna give him physics. Add a rigid body and a collider, now he falls. Create a script, forgot how code works, spend 15 minutes doing nothing, and managed to make it fly. Now that we have that, it's finally time to add the obstacles, which is the green pipe. Add the script to make the pipe go move forward to the player, and add another script that will make it spawn. And by using the random.range function, we can make it spawn at random Y position. I have no idea where that knowledge came from, but it works. A tiny issue is that the bird will just go through the pipe like it's not even there. We can fix this by adding a collider to the pipe and create a script that will detect if the bird hit the pipe, and when it's detected, it will just turn off the bird and reset the game in 3 seconds. Forgot to mention that I also added the floor, just to make sure the bird doesn't go to hell. And here's the playtest of the game. It doesn't really look that good, but we'll fix that later. Sorry for the bad explanation, but this game is coming along quite well. There's just a tiny issue as well. Another tiny issue is that the game doesn't really look like Flappy Bird because of the colors. So let's add some colors. And while adding the colors, I also added just a few details, such as I changed the bird wings into a triangle instead of a square, and add some animation to it, which looks good. I also added the screen shake animation when the bird died, and add the cloud, just to make the background look like it's moving. And of course, we cannot forget about the scores. The scores is pretty much easy to do. All I did was add an invisible collider in between the pipe, so that when the bird enters in between the pipe, it will automatically add a score. And after 1.5 hours, I think I'm pretty much done here. I did not encounter any issue when playtesting the game. It actually worked really well. But even if there's a bug, it doesn't really matter anymore because I'm only doing this just to test myself if I still know how to make a game. And I'm not really going to like upload this to Google Play Store or something because this is like stolen. It's copyrighted from the real Flappy Bird game. So you probably understand that by now. That's it for now though. So this is my non-pixelated Flappy Bird game, and have fun watching this boring gameplay.